everyone. Again, by taking the shape of a corn with the help of this, just make it look like this. Make the crisscross wavy patterns in this manner, and then just color them further with the help of the sketch colors or watercolors of your choice. Now what are we gonna do? Just take the imprints of your hand and then just color them further, making it look like this. And then with the help of the clay, just get the impressions in this manner. Now what are we gonna do? Just make an ant. Again taking the shape of a hand, getting the shape of fingers. Now arranging the shapes in this pattern. Let's see what are we gonna make. Yes, we have made red chilies. Yes, hanging on the branches. Pretty cool. Now what are we gonna do? Here also you just need to create it in this manner, and now you just need to make a window like structure at the top and then make it look like this. Just decorate it in this manner, and then in the end you'll be getting a beautiful and lovely result. Just color it with the help of your favorite colors and then make it look like this, and then you'll be getting a beautiful and lovely result. Isn't it amazing? Color it in this manner, and then your cactus is absolutely ready. Thank you guys.